pain, hurt, ache, sore. Today, I have a sore throat, but I'm going to teach you how to use each of these words. If you want captions or subtitles for this video, please go down to Settings at the bottom of the video and select CC. Okay, so we should start with the word pain, because I'm going to use this word a lot throughout this video. Pain is a noun, and although you will sometimes hear a pain, we almost always use the uncountable form, just pain, no a. When we use the countable form, a pain, it's because we are talking about a specific pain. We can identify the time and exact location of the pain. So, what is pain? It's difficult to describe pain using simple words, but basically it's a bad feeling, and when you feel it, you go, ow! And when we want to talk about someone experiencing pain, we often say that they are in pain. Here are some examples. She is in a lot of pain. You're going to feel a little bit of pain. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain? This medicine will help to ease the pain. I have a very severe pain in my leg. It's difficult to focus while in pain. The pain is almost gone now. That was the worst pain that I have ever felt. And yes, you can also use pain as a verb, but that's not about physical pain, which is the topic of today's video, so we're not going to talk about that today. Hurt is a verb that basically means to experience pain, or to cause someone else to experience pain. Also, it's an irregular verb. The three forms are hurt, hurt, hurt. Also, we often talk about getting hurt. Get hurt is good when we don't want to focus on who or what caused the pain. My arm hurts. This means that right now I am experiencing pain in my arm. She got hurt when she fell off her horse. This means that she experienced pain as a result of falling off her horse. Don't worry, the shot is not going to hurt. This means that you are not going to experience pain when they stick the needle into your arm. Let's look at a few more quick examples. Does it hurt? Did that hurt? Tell me if it hurts. I hurt my leg the other day. It doesn't hurt anymore. It didn't hurt very much. My head hurts really bad. He got hurt during the match. You can also use the word hurt to talk about making someone feel bad emotionally. But again, that's not the topic of today's video, because today we are talking about physical pain. Now finally, what's the difference between ache and sore? But before we talk about that, we need to understand two words. We need to understand the difference between dull pain and sharp pain. Dull pain usually lasts for a long time, and it's difficult to tell exactly where it is. You might say, it's in this area. A sharp pain is a pain that might feel a little bit scarier, a little bit more serious, like you are getting stabbed with a knife. When you have a sharp pain, you can usually point to the exact location where you are experiencing it. I have a sharp pain right here. Okay, so now ache and sore. Basically, both are types of dull pain, but an ache is continuous. You feel it all the time. If something is sore, it doesn't usually hurt all the time. You feel the pain more when you move that part of your body or you touch that part of your body. Ache is usually a noun, although it can also be a verb. You will often see it in words like headache, toothache, or stomach ache. For example, I have a bad headache. She has a toothache. He had a stomach ache all day. But again, you can also use it by itself, as a noun or as a verb. I have an ache in my back, or my back aches. I have an ache in my shoulder, or my shoulder aches. And there's the adjective, achy, so you could also say, I have an achy shoulder. But to be completely honest, instead of saying, my shoulder aches, or I have an ache in my shoulder, 90% of the time, I would probably just say, my shoulder hurts. Also, an ache is usually not the result of something that you did. It's usually the result of an illness or some other problem. For example, my whole body aches today because I am sick. Okay, now finally, let's take a look at sore. Sore is an adjective, and again, it describes a dull pain that you only really feel when you move that body part or you touch that body part. If you do squats or deadlifts at the gym, the next day your legs might be sore. When you walk or bend down to pick something up, you might feel a dull pain in your legs. However, if you are just sitting still in a chair, you probably won't feel any pain. Although we usually use sore to describe a dull pain in your muscles, you can also have a sore throat. Again, I have a sore throat today, and that's why my voice sounds a little bit different. And the pain that you experience with a sore throat is a little bit different from the pain that you experience when your muscles are sore. However, the similarity is that you experience the pain mostly when you use that part of your body. If I am just typing on my computer, I don't feel any pain. But when I am speaking or when I am eating, I feel pain. Now, let's do a quick review to make sure that you understand the main points of this video. Pain is a noun. It's general. There are many types of pain. Hurt is usually a verb. If part of your body hurts, you are experiencing pain in that part of your body. You can also hurt another person. That means that you are causing them to experience pain. Ache is both a noun and a verb, and it describes a continuous, dull pain. Sore is an adjective. It describes a dull pain that you experience more when you move or touch that part of your body. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.